Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Windows Firewall on all client computers using GPO in Windows Server 2022. Client computers are under User Computers OU. Open Group Policy Management. Create new group policy under User Computer OU. Click and expand network. Click and expand network connections. Click and expand Windows Defender Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Protect all network connection, change to disabled. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Protect all network connection, change to disabled. Open Firewall. Update group policy client side. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.